In this video, we will deal about static binding and dynamic binding. Polymorphism. The word polymorphism is formed from two words, poly and morph, where poly means many and morph means forms. So, polymorphism is the ability to use an operator or function in various forms. That is, a single function or an operator behaves differently depending upon the data provided to them. The word polymorphism means having many forms. Real life example of polymorphism: a person at the same time can have different characteristics, like a man at the same time is a father, a husband, an employee. So the same person possesses different behavior in different situations. This is called polymorphism. Polymorphism can be categorized into static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. Static polymorphism can be further categorized into function overloading and operator overloading. Static binding. In this type of binding, the linking of function call to the function definition is done during compilation of the program. Static binding happens when the code is compiled. Operator overloading. As we know, plus is an arithmetic operator. You must have noticed that the plus operator behaves differently with different data types. With integers, it adds the two numbers, and with string, it concatenates or joins two strings. For example, print 8 plus 9 will give 17, and print Python plus programming will give the output as Python programming. This feature, where an operator can be used in different forms, is known as operator overloading and is one of the methods to implement polymorphism. Function overloading. Polymorphism in case of function is a bit different. A named function can also vary depending on the parameters it is given. For example, if we define multiple functions with same name but different argument, show with no argument, show a comma b, two argument, show a comma b comma c, three arguments. In the example above, three functions by the same name have been defined but with different number of arguments. Now if we give a function call with no argument, say show, function will be called. The statement show 10 comma 20 will lead to the execution of function 2, and if the statement show 10 comma 20 comma 30 is given, function 3 will be called. In either case, all the functions would be known in the program by the same name. This is another way to implement polymorphism and is known as function overloading. As we see in the example above, the function called will depend on the argument list, data type and number of arguments. These two, that is data type and the number of arguments, together form the function signature. The return type of the function are nowhere responsible for function overloading, and that is why they are not part of function signature. Here it must be taken into consideration that Python does not support function overloading. If you run the code of 3 show function, the second show definition will overwrite the function 1. Subsequently, the third show definition will override the second one. That means if you give the function call show 20 comma 20, it will flash an error. This is because Python understands the latest definition of function show, which takes 3 arguments. So the function definition of several functions with the same name is called function overloading. Dynamic binding. In this type of binding, linking of a function call to the function definition is done at runtime. That means the code of the function that is to be linked with function call is unknown until it is executed. Dynamic binding of functions make the programs more flexible. Dynamic binding happens when the code is executed at runtime. It revise polymorphism ability to use an operator or function in various forms. Static binding. The linking of function call to the function definition is done during compilation of the program. Dynamic binding. The linking of function call to the function definition is done during the execution of the program. So, static binding happens when the code is compiled, while dynamic binding happens when the code is executed at runtime.